Hi squad, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are making a quick flavorful stir-fried chicken that's perfect for any meal. It's simple, it's delicious and ready in just a few minutes. So let's get started. So you'll need onions and garlic. You'll need tomatoes. You'll also need some colored bell pepper, that is yellow, red and green, and chicken. You can add either soy sauce, you can add oyster sauce according to your preference. So after my chicken is golden, I added my spices, 2 Royco cubes and other spices. I have garam, chicken masala and curry spice. Give it a few minutes for it to cook properly. I like adding my spices to the oil, in this case after the meat, because well, I find that they cook better that way. So afterwards I added my onion and garlic and gave it some time. Look at that, it's already looking so yummy. So you're gonna add your tomatoes and incorporate them in the stew, then give them some time to cook. So as I said, at this point you can add either soy sauce, you can add oyster sauce, any kind of sauce you want in your stir fried. So simple. You can add any kind of ingredient you want at this point, especially the sauces. So at this point you can add in your bell peppers, that is red, yellow and green. I don't remove my seeds, so I add everything in. By the way, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Mawa, and in this platform we talk about empowerment, motherhood, everything to do with positive growth. So if that's your kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and share. If you're a returning subscriber, asante sana. It looks so colorful. So I love my bell peppers, my vegetables crunchy, but if you love your veggies to soften, then go all the way. For me, I'll just give it a few minutes, like 5 minutes at most, and then my food will be ready. We are serving this with latte. So here is a recipe for iced latte and hot latte, your preference. You'll need ice cubes. I'll be making hot latte and iced one. So you'll need ice cubes, you'll need syrup, you'll need milk, coffee, sugar, and in this case a bottle. Add like 2 tablespoons of sugar in the bottle. We're making the froth. So add like 2 tablespoons of sugar in a bottle, add some coffee, and you'll also add some warm water for easier frothing. Is it frothing? Yeah. So you can use either a milk frother for this process, by the way. Give the bottle a good shake until you have such like a coffee foam or something. Remember, that's coffee and sugar and warm water in that bottle. You would have done the same with milk frother. That I'll attach a photo here, and that would have been easier. So shake it until you get such a consistency. So I won't be explaining most of the process here. It's so simple, but if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you.
standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
Don't mind the mess. Please try these recipes and let me know how they will turn out. And that is all I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, adios.